You might have been told that Plasticity does not have a proper align tool like Fusion 360 or SolidWorks. Well, that's not true. And today I'm going to show you how to do it in a couple clicks. So I'm going to use this model of a ship that I'm working on that I'm going to 3D print to demonstrate the align tool. Now you might have heard that you can align things in Plasticity by hitting Control D, selecting a face, and placing a duplicate of the object on the face you want. But there's a problem. This is going to move the piece around, and we don't want that. Say, what if I want to align this little thing to the end or a tip of this wing sort of shape? Well, what I could do would be to take this face and hit K to match this face to this. But this would change the actual shape of the object. I don't want that. So what else can I do? Well, I'm going to hit G and then F. I'm going to select the center of this face. And look at what happens if I move it. Well, it's going to move down as well. But there is something to notice here. If I move it close to where the y-axis of the object is, it will be constrained to the y, basically. That does not help us very much here because we do want it aligned to this face. And if I move it down, you can see again, it snaps down to the face. Also, make sure that if you're doing this, you have object snapping on because otherwise it's not going to work. How do we get out of this? Well, we can actually hit Y to constrain in one direction. And if I click on the face, the object will be aligned on my y-axis to the face that I want. And I can just go ahead and maybe extend it down so that it looks better. I'm going to remove the redundant topology here. And that's exactly what I want to do. Now I can go ahead and modify this piece as I want without having had to break it, basically. And obviously, you can hit X, Y, or Z depending on the axis that you want to align. That's not really different from what you would do in Fusion 360. And I just find it as intuitive and as easy to use. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.